Hey, welcome to this video. To fix cellular data not working on any iPhone, toggle the airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it back off to refresh your network connection, right? If a simple toggle doesn't work, try these steps in order, right? Verify the cellular data is on. So head over to settings, cellular, as you can see it's off. So go ahead and turn it on, right? And now check the data roaming. If you're traveling outside your home network, go to settings, cellular data options, and turn on data roaming. Check for carrier update. So I'm gonna go back, rapid fire, right? Tab general, about. A prompt will appear within 15 seconds to install it. And reset the physical SIM or toggle eSIM. Remove your physical SIM card. Wipe it gently with a clean cloth and reinsert it, right? So basically that's it. If that doesn't work, first restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release volume up. Quickly press and release volume down, then press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. So thank you for watching. Until next time.